Kung limitado ang iyong budget but want exposure to a diversified portfolio of dividend stocks, this fund is definitely for you. At good news, makakapag-invest na po kayo sa mga funds na tulad nito for as low as 1,000 pesos.
So, this is a major factor. At ito po, ang hatid nito, syempre, higher.
Hi, this is June Fernando and I'm from Brandfer Financials. Kamusta po kayo mga ka-RFF? I hope everyone's keeping safe and well. Most investors these days look for capital appreciation or ang pagpapalaki po ng pera. Andyan yung sa mga panahon na hindi maganda ang market, ang focus po nila ay steady cash flow or steady source of passive income. Some investors po prefer these kinds of investments because they are less volatile and more predictable compared to the ups and downs of the market. Ang tawag po sa mga investments na ganito ay defensive investments. Defensive investments focus on generating regular income as opposed to growing in value over time. Do you know that there are conservative investments out there that guarantee interest income like bank savings and high-yield deposits? Ngunit ang downside naman po ng mga ganito ay usually mabababang interest dahil guaranteed rin po ang mga produkto na ito. Ganun pa man, alam nyo ba na meron pa rin po ng mga cash flow investments na nakakapagbigay ng mga matataas na kita? At yan po ang gusto sana nating pag-usapan sa araw na ito. Here are top 5 cash flow investments for you. Number 1. Philippine dividend stocks. Ang dividend stocks ay mga reputable na kumpanya that pay out dividends regularly. Kilala po sila bilang mga matatatag na kumpanya na may consistent na earnings. Kaya naman, madalas din po silang nakakapagbigay ng mga dividendo sa kanila pong mga shareholders. Usually, ang mga blue chip companies sa utilities, media, telecommunications and mining sectors ay ang mga madadalas na nakakapag-issue ng dividends sa kanilang mga investors. Ngayon ang tanong, how do you know naman if you are eligible to receive dividends sa inyong mga stock investments? Well, dividends are usually paid in the form of cash dividends. Bilang isang shareholder, you will be notified by your stockbrokers via email and the date of release of your dividends. Sa Pilipinas, some of the most notable companies that issue dividends are DMCI Holdings, Meralco, Ayala Land, Globe, PLDT, and Semirara Mining Corporation. We will be also coming up with a separate full-length video dedicated naman po to dividend investing, kaya sana po abangan nyo ito sa pamamagitan ng pag-like na rin po sa video na ito, by subscribing na rin po to our YouTube channel, and by tapping na din po the notification bell down below. At kung interesado ka na rin malaman kung paano magsimulang mag-invest sa dividend paying stocks, please click the link below in the description box to know more. And so, moving on, number 2 is income-paying managed funds. Ang select managed funds like mutual funds and unit investment trust funds give dividends to their shareholders. Ang mga dividends na nagmumula sa mga instrumento na tulad nito are either in form of cash dividends or share or unit dividends. Hindi po guaranteed na nakakapag-issue ng dividends dito, and you will know it when the board of directors announce it. Bilang isang investor, pwede kang kumita dito in 2 ways. One is through capital appreciation of your shares or units, and the other one is through dividend payouts. Ilan naman po sa mga halimbawa nito sa mutual funds ay ang Acham Corporate Bond Fund. The fund is designed to generate regular income streams and capital appreciation by investing primarily in Philippine peso corporate fixed income securities by Philippine companies. At ang isa naman ay ang ALFM Global Multi-Asset Income Fund. The ALFM Global Multi-Asset Income Fund is a feeder fund naman po that is ideal for investors looking for a stable stream of dividends without sacrificing long-term capital growth. Pagdating naman sa mga UITFs, isang halimbawa nito ay ang Acham Peso Diversified Income Fund. The fund aims to generate income that is higher than pure government bond and corporate bond funds. It does not intend to replicate the returns of any fixed income or equity benchmark funds, but rather focus on delivering stable income. Some mutual funds like the PhilEquity Dividend Yield Fund also invest in dividend-paying stocks in the PSEI at ang mga dividendo ay nire-reinvest back into the fund. Kung limitado ang iyong budget but want exposure to a diversified portfolio of dividend stocks, this fund is definitely for you. At kahit po bilang isang investor ay hindi ka directly makaka-receive ng dividends from the fund's holdings, magre-reflect naman po ito sa share price ng fund. At good news, makakapag-invest na po kayo sa mga funds na tulad nito for as low as 1,000 pesos. So, just click the link in the description box below to know more about it. And so, moving on, the next one is number 3, which is real estate. In terms of investments overall, real estate has stood the test of time, and it stands to reason why it is considered an important investment for many Filipinos. Pwede kang kumita passively sa pamamagitan ng rentals, long-term leases, pre-selling and reselling land and properties. Creating passive income in real estate usually comes in the form of long-term residential rentals. Ang ibig sabihin po nito, bumibili ka ng isang property and rent it out to tenants. Ang pagmamanage ng rental properties can be an outstanding source of monthly cash flow for us investors. One way for real estate investors to generate steady rental income ay ang pagbili ng mga properties sa mga areas na may malakas na rental demand such as cities or neighborhoods with a growing population or a strong job market. By carefully selecting properties and setting competitive rental rates, investors like us can attract long-term tenants at the same time mababawasan nyo din po ang mga vacancies. Ngunit, maganda ding tandaan that being a landlord is not a totally passive way to earn income dahil po dumidepende pa din po ito sa iyo to exert consistent effort. Ang pagkakaroon ng regular maintenance and updates ay makakatulong to keep your properties in good condition that can definitely help to maintain or pataasin po ang kanilang rental over time. And so, the next one is number 4, which is REITs. Ang real estate ay napaka-profitable na investment, but many Filipinos shy away from it because they can't afford the high purchase price at ang recurring costs ng direct property ownership. Ang real estate investment trust funds or REITs ay nagbibigay ng mas madali, more accessible, and more affordable way upang kumita mula sa mga large-scale, profitable properties without having to pay for their full cost. At meron na po kaming mga naunang videos kung saan tutulungan po kayo kung paano mag-invest sa mga REITs. Kaya kung interesado ka, please feel free to watch these videos. We already linked them below in the description section as well. Under the REIT Act of 2009, ang mga REITs po ay dapat nagbabayad ng at least 90% of their distributable annual income bilang dividendo sa kanilang mga shareholders. Our stock trading partner, U-Trade by Unicapital Securities, gave us an outlook on projected REIT yields for 2023. Please do note that these figures are not guaranteed po and can still vary depending on stock performance and declared dividends. Ang ilan naman po sa mga halimbawa ng mga REIT sa Pilipinas ay ang A-REIT, C-REIT, M-REIT, DDMPR, RCR, FILRT, V-REIT, and ang upcoming P-REIT. Kung interesado po kayo, you can start investing in REITs through our reputable partners na online stockbrokers such as YouTrade and MyTrade. And last but not the least is number 5, US dividend stocks. Sa Amerika, meron po silang long track record of companies na nagbibigay ng dividends for consecutive years. Ang mga kumpanya na ito ay tinatawag po na dividend aristocrats. Dividend aristocrats are the thoroughbreds of income investing. Ang mga kumpanya ay kinoconsider bilang dividend aristocrats kung mayroon po silang increased annual dividend payments for a minimum of 25 years in a row, demonstrating unimpeachable long-term stability. Ang mga dividend investors ay naghahanap ng mga stocks na nagbabayad ng rising dividends na may sustainable na rate. Ang S&P at Dow Jones Indices, which owns the S&P 500 Index, ay ang nag-aaral sa listahan ng mga qualifying companies kada taon at ina-update ang list ng mga kumpanya na may dividend aristocrat status. At ang kanilang nakakabilib na track records of growth make dividend aristocrats some of the most attractive dividend stocks to own. Ilan po sa halimbawa nito ay ang Coca-Cola, Procter & Gamble, McDonald's, Pepsi Company, Walmart, and Chevron. And so I hope you've learned something new today. If you think you have friends or relatives who might be interested of these contents, we hope you can share this with them. And for those who haven't pa din po, we do hope you would subscribe to our official YouTube and TikTok channels, Ram for Financial, so we can continue to help you grow in your financial journey. Again, this has been Jung Fernando saying thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in our next video. Stay safe and God bless.
So, this is a major factor. At ito po, ang hatid nito, syempre, higher